How do I stop my boy from collapsing into a black hole? Well, first of all, you have to parent your model correctly. What we have here is the Dreadnought made by Lord Aloha, fantastic model, featured in the Juggernaut mod by EaglePancake. Step 1, click on the model. Step 2, shift-click on the skeleton or armature. Now press Ctrl P or go to Object Parent. I'm just going to Ctrl P. And use with automatic weights, armature deform with automatic weights. Do that. Well, if you get a warning, oh well, bone heat weighting failed to find solution. What did you say? For one or more bones. Don't use with envelope weights, because then you will get this mess. Don't use with empty groups, because then you will have to do it yourself. Don't use object, because that doesn't make sense. Don't use bone, because what? Instead, the problem is here with the model. You have to remove duplicate lines and stuff, because there are gaps between the separate faces. Okay, you just select all the faces or all the nodes or all the edges, whatever you like. You can switch here. And then you go to Mesh, Clean Up, and Merge by Distance. I actually use it so often I put a shortcut on it. So if you right click, you can go Change Shortcut, and I use Alt-C. So Alt-C, and as you can see, removed 3,210 vertices. And now if you try to move them apart, they are all connected. Now, select the model, shift-click the armature, Ctrl-P, and use armature deform with automatic weights. Huzzah! It works! Booyah! Your boy is not collapsing into a black hole anymore. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Until next time, ciao! Boop 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 boop.